Bill Gates once said, "When you have a hammer, everything looks like a nail." His hammer was using data to see invisible threats. For me, this isn't just a quote, it's personal. I grew up watching my uncle run a small deli. Every week, I saw him throw away kilos of good beef just because the date on the package passed. He was terrified of making a customer sick. It hurts to see the waste. It was money thrown directly into the trash. Do you know that, globally, 1.3 billion tons of food are wasted every year? Yet, 600 million people still get food poisoning. Why? Because we are trapped in a red ocean of uncertainty. We rely on the old sniff test, just guessing with our nose. But the nose can't smell bacteria until it's too late. This system is broken, and it hits small business owners like my uncle. To solve this, we looked at nature. We copied the housefly, which has biological sensors to find decaying food from miles away. Introducing Musca Link, a bio-inspired sensor that turns your smartphone into a lab-grade freshness detector. Using the blue ocean strategy, we didn't just improve the old way, we changed the game. Here is our ERC grid. First, we eliminate the heavy screens and battery found in industrial scanners. Your phone is already a supercomputer. Why pay for another one? Second, we reduce the cost by over 90%, dropping from thousands of dollars to just $15. Third, we raise accuracy. Unlike the nose, we can detect spoilage at the parts per billion level. Finally, we created a digital freshness standard. No more guessing, just clear, real-time results.
Right now, the industry is stuck in a red ocean. Competitors focus only on big factories selling complex $5,000 machines. But we see a bigger picture. We are opening a blue ocean by targeting the three tiers of non-customers. First, the soon-to-be non-customers. They are worried parents. They rely on printed dates but need real data to stop wasting expensive organic food. Second, the refusing non-customers. They are small business owners, just like my uncle. They reject count tools simply because they cost too much. Musca Link is a safety net they can finally afford. Finally, the unexplored non-customers. They are food banks. The industry ignores them because they have no budget, but we help them save safe food they usually throw away due to safety risks. According to the UN, global food waste costs $1 trillion a year. By saving the food waste in our homes, Musca Link tap into a $200 billion opportunity. We are turning a global problem into a global solution.
But does it work? We believe in proof, not just promises. Our device uses advanced MOX sensors. They're designed to detect VOCs. Specifically, we target ethanol gas and fungal VOCs, the early chemical signs of mold growth in fresh produce. When mold is visible, like on this orange, it's already too late. But what about this one? It looks perfectly fresh. However, if we look under this microscope, we can see invisible mold spores already spreading. The human eye and nose completely miss this. This is where Musca Link steps in. Our machine learning algorithm instantly spots the danger, reading the invisible gas patterns in seconds. The data is processed on the edge, right on your phone. So get your lab quality results without needing an expensive cloud connection.
Our business model is built for growth, with a cost under $50 and a price of $29.99. We make a healthy 50% profit margin. But we didn't just build it, we tested it. We interviewed 50 local deli owners, our tier 2 customers. 80% of them said they would buy Musca Link immediately to protect their business. We also have a letter of intent from a local food bank to test our device next month. We are not just selling a gadget, we are selling trust. As our strategy canvas shows, Musca Link breaks the trade-off between high cost and high accuracy. Bill Gates' mother told him, "From those to whom much is given, much is expected." We believe technology means nothing if it doesn't help people. Musca Link is our answer. We are making the invisible threats of food poisoning visible, not just for the few, but for everyone.